Of all the relationships Nathan has cultivated over the years, none is more special than the relationship with Farmhouse's bread supplier. Nathan's mom, the woman who started it all, now owns and operates Roan Mills, where she mills Kentner Canyon grains into fresh flour.
So this is cracked rye, not quite flour yet, but you break it up, you can use it in, what would you use this in?
Well, we use it in our rye bread, and we make what's called a soaker. And so we soak it in water for a few hours and it softens it, and then it goes in with the dough and it creates a wonderful texture. And you can also cook it like a porridge.
Yeah, and it smells amazing.
And so this is oat flour here. And, people are familiar with oat flakes, but oat flour is a super fine flour and it makes a wonderful cookie.
From farm to oven and now to restaurant, Roan Mills' presence is felt all over Farmhouse's menu. For Nathan, it's all about access to fresh, healthy, and affordable food. And it's these connections to agriculture that allow Farmhouse their affordable price point.
I want to offer people affordable, good food that's not fussy, that's not fancy, that's just going to keep you healthy, not overweight, not diabetic, not all these things, because our diet is horrible, but it doesn't have to be.
Being at Farmhouse, you really get an appreciation for Nathan's journey and his evolution from the farm to this kitchen. But seeing Nathan get back to his roots on his family farm, now that's truly inspirational.